In today's tutorial, I will teach you how to install VN Video Editor on PC or laptop and Mac. This is an Android app, and here are the guidelines to install it on PC. By following them, you can easily install it on your PC, laptop, and Mac. First, you need to install BlueStacks software on your PC, then you can install VN Video Editor on your PC. Type BlueStacks. Click on the first website and click on the download button here. I have already installed it in my PC. With its help, you can install any Android app on your PC, laptop, or Mac. Click on the App Player button. If you have already downloaded any Android app, you can also install it. Go to the location where the app is located and add the app and click on the Install button, and the app will be installed. Type VN here. If the app doesn't show, click Search in Google Play and type again. Click on Install button. Wait for a while, the app will be installed. You can install the app by clicking on the Open button, or its icon will be shown on the desktop, and you can also open it by clicking on it. Click on it and open it. Allow it. See all templates showing. Click on New Project. Here you can create your own project. If you want to learn how to use this app on PC, then comment below. I will teach how to use it in detail. Thanks for watching the video.